Guys, napakasarap yung sopas namin. Very sarap.
Ayan. Ayan guys, oh. Oh. Wow. Hello guys, good morning, Ate Guard Rachel. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ayan, for today's video ay magluluto tayo ng sopas. Ayan. So, while nagluluto ako ng sopas guys, manood lang kayo dyan at babasahan ko lang kayo, kukwentuhan ko lang kayo ng part or chapter sa book na binabasa ko guys. So, it's a gentle reminder for us. Hindi ko naman kailangan pang ituro sa inyo kung paano magluto ng sopas, 'di ba? Ayan. Ayan. Kung ano man yung ginagawa natin ngayon, so enjoy lang natin, mga lalabs, mga guys. Ayan, yan. Okay, bago ka pa lang pala sa aking YouTube channel, huwag kalimutan mag-like, mag-comment, at mag-subscribe na rin. Okay, so mag-start na tayo, mga lalabs. So, sabi dito, remember, even the strongest souls get exhausted. The strongest human beings, the ones who laugh the loudest and hope the hardest, the ones who are always there for others, those souls often need people there for them. Sabi dito. So please check on your kind friends. Check on the people in your life who are tender, the ones who are always open to give so much of who they are for those who need it. Check on the people in your life who love with every ounce of their being, who feel deeply and care deeply, and try to fix and mend and make sure that those around them are okay. 'Di ba? Kasi minsan may mga friends tayo, may mga tao sa paligid natin na parang ang saya-saya lang o palagi lang masaya, na parang wala lang problema, parang palagi lang napapansin natin na nandyan lang palagi for us. Alam niyo yun, guys? Pero may somehow meron din pala silang mga na-exhaust din pala daw sila. Meron din pala silang kahinaan. So, kailangan i-check din natin yun. Kamustahin ba natin sila? Kung okay lang ba sila? Kasi, di ba sa grupo parang palaging merong siya yung palaging masaya, palaging strong personality, mga ganun. Pero sa kabila ng pinapakita niya na yun, ay meron din pala siyang lungkot deep inside. Parang meron din siyang nararamdaman. Di ba? Kaya ako nga, mga lalabs, naniniwala talaga ako na kailangan nating maging gentle sa isa't isa. Kasi hindi naman natin alam kung ano yung nararamdaman ng bawat isa, kung ano yung struggle na yung parang pinaglalaban natin everyday, di ba? Alam niyo yun? Nagigets niyo ba yun? So, sabi dito, please check on the people in your life who are brave, yan, yung mga matapang, who are soft for this world. Check on the people in your life who protect others at all costs, because those souls needs protecting too. So, kailangan din nila para ng protection, 'di ba? Those souls need to be reminded that they deserve the love they keep giving to everyone else. Ang ganda talaga nitong book na to, guys. So, kung gusto nyo, ilalagay ko lang din dito yung link para at least kung gusto nyong bumili, meron din sa Shopee para at least mabasa nyo din. Ang ganda nito, guys. Parang na siya ba? Parang self-help or self-guide na book. Maganda. So, sabi dito, keep going because the world needs your uniqueness. It needs your talent, your art, your mind. The world needs you to take up space within that so you can change it with a vision that you have. You are so deeply capable of doing something beautiful with your life. Ganda talaga nito, mga lalabs. Ganda. Tapos sabi dito, if it is for you, trust. Sabi niya, magtiwala that it will find you. So, ang ganda, no? Maybe right now, your journey isn't about love. Sabi dito. Maybe right now, your journey is about being alone. Maybe this is the reason you are being challenged to learn how to wake up in the middle of the bed, to finally find hope in the vacancy, hope in the quiet, hope in the way you stretch into your life and give yourself permission to take up space within it. Maybe right now, you are being shown that you can take care of yourself, that you can depend on the person you have become, and you can be your own home no matter what comes your way. Ay, ang ganda talaga nito mga lalabs. Maybe right now, your journey is about redemption. Maybe this is the season you are being challenged to make amends with your heart, to attend up for the vast ways in which it loves and believes in the goodness of vulnerability. And expressions and being the person who softens even when the world is not gentle. Maybe right now you are getting a second chance to trust in it and to forgive yourself for giving it away to those who could not value it. But most importantly, maybe right now you are being called to protect it, to find your way back into your tenderness and way your back into your soul. Oh, bongga, no? So, yun. Mahilig din ba kayong magbasa ng books, mga lalabs? Ayan. So, maganda naman talaga to minsan kasi kung magbasa-basa tayo, may mga matutunan talaga dahil. Isang part pa dito na, isang sentence pa dito. Make your mind a beautiful place to be. Maganda talaga to. One day, when you least expect it, you're going to crush. What? What's that? Bread? Want more? Okay. Kunin mo. Kunin mo yung bread. Big boy ka na eh. Si Ethan, mga lalabs. Ayan, nagpapagawa siya ng sandwich. Say, tita. Tita. Call tita. Tita, help. Tita, I need your help. Ayan guys, so matatapos na po yung video, matatapos na rin yung ating sopas. So, I hope may natutunan kayo for today's video. So, kain tayo ng sopas guys, mga lalabs. And thank you for watching. Please don't forget to follow, to subscribe, comment, at mag-like na rin. I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
Guys, napakasarap yung sopas namin. Very sarap.
Ayan guys, Wow.